Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I will explain what is pin command. So without wasting time, let's move to the topic. So what is pin command? Simple. Pin is a pin means pin is network network troubleshooting troubleshooting command used in Linux. Command used in Linux. Okay. What is pin? Pin is a network troubleshooting command in Linux. Why we use pin command? Why we use pin? Simple. First, we use pin for many reasons. We use pin for many reason. First reason is to check internet connection. To check internet connection. Second, to check if a website is working or not. To check website is working or not. Third and last one is to test network speed. To test network speed. With the help of pin command we can check network speed. So third, how pin command work. पिन कमांड कैसे वर्क करती है? सिंपल है. देयर आर सम स्टेप्स हाउ पिन कमांड वर्क. First, your computer send a small data package to server. First, your computer send small data package to your server, to a server. First step. Then second, the server receive it. सर्वर क्या करेगा? रिसीव करेगा. The server receives it. Third step, the server send a reply back. सर्वर क्या करेगा? सर्वर give reply back. The server give reply back. And fourth and last step is ping measure the time taken. ping कमांड क्या करेगी? मेजर करेगी कितना टाइम लगा है उसको रिप्लाई देने में. ping कमांड ping measure the time taken. Okay, this how pin command work. Then next, ये जो प्रोसेस है, ये जो 4 स्टेप की प्रोसेस है, ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको? दिस प्रोसेस कॉल्ड simple ICMP. The meaning of ICMP I also explain. ICMP. What is the meaning of ICMP? Means internet connection, internet control, internet control manage protocol. The meaning of ICMP is internet control manage protocol. Then let's explain the basic command. Basic command, basic in command. It's too simple. Basic syntax. Basic syntax is first ping, then website hyphen slash or slash IP, then this example, very simple example means ping google.com. So if you use this command, the output क्या आएगा 64 byte for google.com :IC. Let's write here the output. If we use this command, the output is very simple. 64 bytes from कहाँ से? google.com से ICMP, then SEQ equals to 1 और आगे, then TTL equals to 117, then time equals to 20 ms. Okay, let's break this thing. Let's explain first 64 bytes का मतलब क्या होता है. First, the meaning of 64 bits. Simple. Size of data. Sorry, data बोल रहा हूँ, data. Okay. Then next, ICMP /SEQ equals to, it's mean packet number. First, second, third. TTL means TTL means time to live. Time to live means how long कितनी देर सर्वाइव करा है पैकेज. हाउ लॉन्ग पैकेज सर्वाइव. Then the last meaning of time. Okay, meaning of time. Meaning of time. टाइम का मतलब क्या है इसमें? The time means responding time. Respond time very important होता है. Very important. Then next, let's explain some simple ping commands. Like first command is ping google.com. Means this check if Google is rechargeable or not. This command check Google is rechargeable or not. ठीक है. सिंपल सा मीनिंग है। एंड इफ इट, अगर इसका रिप्लाई आता है, इफ रिप्लाई कम, इफ रिप्लाई कम, तो ये है, ये वर्किंग है, so it's working. But if reply doesn't come, if reply doesn't come, so there is any problem हो सकती है, then next second, अगर लिमिटेड काउंट के साथ पिन कमांड वर्क करवानी है तो कैसे होगी। पिन विथ लिमिटेड काउंट, पिन विथ लिमिटेड count. The command is very simple. First, ping -c, then I want to like 5 times, then 5, and here google.com. So 5 बार pin command count होगी। Google send only 5 पैकेट्स ऑफ 5 पैकेट्स करेगा, देन इट इज स्टॉप, बंद हो जाएगा। देन नेक्स्ट कमांड इज थर्ड कमांड, लेट्स आई एक्सप्लेन व्हाई वी यूज दिस कमांड। लाइक सो योर टर्मिनल डजंट कीप रनिंग फॉर एवर। तुम्हारा जो टर्मिनल रहेगा वो कंटिन्यूसली रनिंग करता नहीं रहेगा, सिर्फ 5 टाइम के बाद your terminal will be stop. Then next, ping with IP address के साथ अगर देखना है, IP address with IP address, ping and IP address, ping and IP address के साथ। So the simple command, very simple command. Here is the command ping @@@@. So this simple, this ping Google DNS server, this ping Google DNS server, ये क्या करेगा, DNS सर्वर को पिंग करता है। So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux content.